Ever wondered what happens to products that totally bomb? Well, some of them end up here, in a museum all about failures. That's right. There's an actual museum of failed products, where every shelf is like a graveyard for ideas that just didn't work. From caffeinated beer to potato chips just for women, and even, get this, perfume for babies. Yep, that actually happened. Located in Michigan, USA, this museum has over 100 quirky, bizarre, and downright confusing products that nobody wanted. It's like a hall of fame, but for the world's biggest marketing flops. One of the most infamous? A fancy perfume made for babies. Because apparently, someone thought newborns weren't cute enough already. They needed to smell like expensive cologne too. Obviously, customers weren't exactly rushing to make their babies smell like film stars. You'll also find other marketing disasters like Colgate-branded frozen dinners, because who wants toothpaste and lasagna from the same company, right? Each item comes with a tag explaining why it tanked, from bad timing, to confusing branding, to just really bad ideas. The Museum of Failed Products isn't just funny, it's a tribute to creativity gone wrong. But hey, even the worst ideas have a place in history. If you love mind-blowing facts and strange inventions, hit that subscribe button. It really encourages us to bring you more curious stuff. Don't miss out on more weird wonders.